So it's been a few hours. I left Cleveland and on my way to Toledo, which is a couple hours away. I'm about to arrive here to get the front S2000 clip, an airbag, and maybe some other miscellaneous parts that I need. Hopefully it goes smooth. I'm getting the whole entire front clip. I only need the passenger side, but maybe I'll use the other side on a different car possibly, but we'll see. So the plan is to load it in the back of the truck, strap it down, pay them in, and then make my way back. It's gonna be interesting to unload it since I'm by myself and it's pretty heavy. I'm almost considering slicing it down the middle, but then if I ever need the kind of core support areas, we'll see where it goes. Maybe I'll call somebody to help me unload it if I can get access to where I am dropping it off at the shop. Sheesh. Boy wants me to go up there to the hanging S2000 and get the airbag out. Bruh, I should be getting this thing for free. The flip. You guys need MR2 parts? Sheesh. How do you get around the door? I just always use. Good thing I'm like half insane. That will be perfect. Thank you. So I load up the truck, strapped up the front clip. I got a few miscellaneous parts as well that I needed for the front end. He didn't have that airbag for me. That one that I pulled off was from a newer one. It was super sketchy to get that down. Wasn't really worth it because I came out empty-handed. No airbag for the passenger side, but this puppy's good to go. It's gonna be fun to take it off. 2-hour drive ahead of me. Let's get it.
Новый, что мы в жизни имеем, мы за это заплатим сполна. Потому буду жить я у речки и писать до последнего.
So I just pulled up to the yard, waiting for someone to come help me get this thing off. There's our buddy Hunter. Hunter! Boy! Down. See, he always goes down, but he gets ready to pounce on you. Ready? Don't jump. You always jump. I knew you were gonna jump. Stop. 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 Cut. Got this beat up bracket off the side right here. I'm gonna probably leave this one on until I actually install the new one, just because it doesn't need to come off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take off all the broken suspension bolts and then see where it's at. I forgot the keys to the car, so I can't pop the hood open to get the strut out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try to disassemble as much as I can, and even try to fit on the new parts that I can before I can come back and get the strut off.
In like 3 hours.
Oh yeah, you're... I'm gonna fast
Yo, if anyone wants to buy my Infiniti Q50, here it is. Red Sport Edition, 400 horsepower. It was hit in the front, but I fixed everything up. Everything's good. 60,000 miles, 2016 Red Sport. It's nice. You'll get all the ladies.
Free advertising. So I was working on the car. I got a few things off, but I just got a call from the transporter for the yellow 912. He's gonna be at the house around 5 o'clock, so I need to go make sure everything is ready for the buyer and get everything in order before he pulls up. So I gotta take off. That's gonna be about it for this Saturday. I can't really make it out here another 35-40 minute drive, so we're gonna keep it going next time. So I'm back at the car. I'm gonna try to remove as much suspension as I can and try to put the new stuff back on. It's gonna be a little bit difficult since it's kind of tweaked, so we're just gonna see as far as we can get today. I won't be able to work on the car until next week again, so I'm trying to get as much done before the sun goes down. Let's get to it. Wrestling with it for a while, couldn't get this unseized, so kind of camber adjustment, casting adjustment, bolt hardware won't slip out, it's seized, so yeah, no luck. And then also I got this bad boy spinning right here, so I need to just slice it there. I need to go ahead and cut top and bottom of this thing to slip this thing out, and then I'll get a new hardware over there. So yeah, I basically couldn't get where I wanted to today. I'm not gonna be able to work on the car for another few days, so it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Hopefully we can come back and get this thing on the ground next video. Some days are better than others. See ya. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. As you saw, we tried to get some progress done on the S2000, but unfortunately we hit a few roadblocks. It's how it goes sometimes. So next video, we're gonna go ahead and chop the top and bottom of that lower control arm, slip it out. I already have a new one with a good bushing ready to go back in. I also ordered the hardware to make sure we got everything ready to bolt it right back in. I'm gonna cut off the inner outer tie rod, put on the new stuff, and we should be good to go. Hopefully we won't have anything else that we run into, but everything else should be straightforward. It's already unbolted and ready to go. I don't think there should be too much issues of fitting the new parts on. So be sure to stay tuned in the next video, see if we can get it back on the ground. Be sure to check out the other videos, past S2000 videos, and the Porsche video as well. Sad to see my yellow 912 go, but you know, on to the next one. Be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Catch you guys next time. As always, be blessed and be superish.